Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo and I am ready to learn with you today.
Today, we will talk about jobs and work in simple English.
We will use easy words, short sentences, and clear examples.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want real conversations.
I will ask questions and give short answers you can copy.
I will teach useful job words and daily work phrases.
I will repeat the words so you can repeat at home.
Let's start with common job titles.
The jobs are teacher, student, doctor, nurse, and driver.
More jobs are engineer, cook, waiter, cashier, and cleaner.
More jobs are manager, seller, barber, hairdresser, and artist.
More jobs are police officer, firefighter, and security guard.
More jobs are receptionist, photographer, and designer.
Now we will use simple sentences with job titles.
I am a student and I study every day.
I am a teacher and I help students learn.
My father is a driver and he drives a bus.
My mother is a nurse and she works at a hospital.
My uncle is a cook and he works in a restaurant.
My cousin is an engineer and he works with machines. Now we will learn how to ask about jobs.
I will ask and answer with short lines.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you work?
I work at a store.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 o'clock.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Now we will learn workplace words.
The words are office, store, school, hospital, and restaurant.
More words are factory, company, bank, and hotel.
More words are kitchen, desk, uniform, and schedule.
More words are meeting, manager, team, and break.
More words are salary, job interview, and resume.
Now we will use short sentences with workplace words.
I work in an office and I sit at a desk.
I work at a school and I teach in a classroom.
I work in a store and I help customers.
I work in a restaurant and I serve food.
I work in a hospital and I help patients.
I work in a factory and I use machines. Now we will talk about daily work actions.
The actions are start, finish, help, make, and sell.
More actions are send, call, meet, plan, and check.
More actions are clean, cook, serve, and deliver.
I will make short work sentences.
I start at 8 and finish at 5.
I help customers and answer questions.
I send emails and call clients.
I plan tasks and check my schedule.
I cook food and serve meals.
I clean tables and take orders. Now we will practice describing your job.
I will give a simple model you can copy.
I am a teacher and I work at a school.
I teach children and I make lessons.
I work from Monday to Friday.
I start at 8 and finish at 4.
I like my job because I help people learn.
I like my team because they are friendly.
Now we will practice asking about someone's job politely.
I will ask and answer with easy lines.
What is your job?
I am a cashier.
Where do you work?
I work at a supermarket.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job because I meet people.
How many hours do you work?
I work 8 hours a day.
Now we will add days of the week to work talk.
I work from Monday to Friday.
I have meetings on Tuesday and Thursday.
I have training on Wednesday.
I work on Saturday morning.
I rest on Sunday with my family.
I study English in the evening after work. Now we will learn job tools and objects.
The objects are computer, phone, notebook, and pen.
More objects are uniform, badge, gloves, and mask.
More objects are register, tray, board, and toolbox.
More objects are printer, card, and schedule.
I will use them in short sentences.
I use a computer to write emails.
I use a phone to call customers.
I carry a notebook and a pen.
I wear a uniform and a name badge.
I use gloves and a mask in the hospital.
I use a tray to carry food.
I write on the board in the classroom.
I use a toolbox at work.
Now we will practice simple small talk at work.
I will ask friendly questions.
How was your day?
My day is good, thank you.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am busy this morning.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need help with this report.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Now we will learn how to talk about job preferences.
The phrases are I like, I do not like, and I want.
I like working with people.
I like working in a quiet place.
I do not like long meetings.
I do not like working late at night.
I want a job with a good schedule.
I want a job near my home.
Now we will practice simple job goals.
The phrase is I want to plus a verb.
I want to learn new skills.
I want to get a better job.
I want to improve my English.
I want to save money this year.
I want to meet new people at work.
I want to help my team every day.
Now we will learn interview basics.
Common questions are what do you do and why do you want this job?
More questions are, what are your strengths and when can you start?
I will give short interview answers.
I am a cashier with 2 years of experience.
I want this job because I like your company.
My strengths are teamwork and communication.
I can start next Monday.
Now we will practice a short work role play.
I will be a new coworker and I will ask questions.
Hello, I am Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am Leo. Nice to meet you too.
What is your role here?
I am a receptionist at the front desk.
What time do you start your shift?
I start at 8 and finish at 4.
Do you need any help today?
Yes, please help me with the schedule.
Sure, I can show you how to use it.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Now we will talk about remote work.
Remote work means working from home.
I work from home 2 days a week.
I use a laptop and a headset.
I join meetings online in the morning.
I send reports by email in the afternoon.
I like remote work because it saves time.
I like the office because I see my team.
Now we will describe a simple workday.
I will give a model with clear steps.
I arrive at work at 8:30.
I check my emails and my schedule.
I have a meeting at 9 o'clock.
I help customers before lunch.
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
I finish tasks in the afternoon.
I send a report at 4 o'clock.
I leave work at 5 o'clock.
Now we will use because to add reasons.
I like my job because my team is kind.
I study English because I want a promotion.
I take the bus because it is cheap.
I arrive early because I need to prepare.
I write notes because they help me remember.
I rest on Sunday because I need energy. Now we will practice polite requests at work.
The phrases are, could you and can you?
Could you send me the file, please?
Yes, I can send it now.
Could you help me with this form?
Of course, I can help you.
Can you call the client today?
Yes, I will call the client at 2 o'clock.
Now we will review key vocabulary.
Teacher, nurse, driver, cashier, and cook.
Engineer, manager, waiter, cleaner, and student.
Office, store, school, hospital, and restaurant.
Start, finish, help, plan, and check.
Computer, phone, notebook, uniform, and schedule.
Meeting, team, manager, break, and salary. Now we will finish with a quick review dialogue.
I will answer each question with one short sentence.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you work or study?
I study at a local college.
What time do you start?
I start at 8 o'clock.
Do you like your work or study?
Yes, I like it because I learn new things.
What is your goal this year?
I want to improve my English for work.
You did a great job practicing jobs and work today.
Thank you. I learned many useful work phrases.
You can listen again and repeat the sentences.
You can write your own job introduction at home.
Thank you for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing simple English every day.
See you next time and talk about your job with confidence.